Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Today I discuss the third part of the report. Why is the data is important? Experts feel countries that are provided more extensive data can calibrate their health system response better and make better prediction both in the short of the long term. For the example, data on SARI, severe acute respiratory infections, and ILI, influenza-like illness. Now, historically, you can help calculate departures from the historic numbers and quantify the excess deaths or illness beyond the expected normal for the season. We are not doing our homework. Expert says the gaps in data out of lack of capacity as well as transparency on the part of the governments. Policy makers are seeing these numbers as an evaluation of their performance. This is an unproductive. State-wise resources differ, which accounts for disparities. UN clear floor conditions. COVID-19 patients complains of pathetic service at Vizag hospitals. Service at the Vizag hospitals, despite the direction by the government to provide human medical care and good facilities, it appears that there are shortcomings in implementing the same. Pradhama Hospital in Vizag, one of the isolation centers for COVID-19 suspected patients, presents a pathetic picture, leaving those isolated on its premises with a better experience. Untidy rooms, a liter of water per person in an entire day, and unresponsive staff serving dinner at 10 p.m. irrespective of the age factors or medical conditions of those isolated are some problems at the hospitals. On the Thursday night, the New Indian Express reporter and her family members were shifted to the hospitals for a test. They were to stay there in ease isolation till their results came out. Narrating her experiences on Twitter, she said the room where they were accommodated was in a pretty poor condition with the empty bottles lying around and the floor unclean. Though she tried to get the attention of the staff, it proved futile, and the in charge of Raghavendra was not available over phone. Additional Chief Secretary, the Chief Minister P.V. Ramesh, responding to her tweets, promised to act and within hours intimated that action was initiated. Advisor to the state government S. Rajiv Krishnan assured that he will inform the relevant authorities and do the needful. The hospital's authorities provided dinner at 10 p.m. Even diabetic patients and others were among those lodged in the hospital for isolation. So friends, these are the third parts. In the next part, I will discuss other information. Thank you.